If you're looking for a dish that smells like home and tastes like a reward after a long day, you found it. This chicken and potato stew is the ultimate soul food. Thick, savory, and so tender it practically melts. No fancy technicals, just pure satisfaction. Let's get cooking. First up, grab a potato, peel it like you are peeling away all your stress and cut it into chunky pieces. Then, slice up a bit of carrots for color, or skip it if your fridge is on strike. Slice 3 to 4 pieces of ginger. This helps remove any unwanted smell from the chicken and adds that warm, comforting aroma. Ta-da! Mince a clove of garlic. If it's tiny like your patience today, use 2. Or use 2 if you don't trust your first clove. Now for the chicken. Trim off those yellow fatty bits. That's where the gamey smell hides. Think of it like decluding your chicken. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces so your spoon doesn't struggle later. Heat some oil over medium heat. Throw in the ginger and sauté until it smells like heaven. Add the chicken, spread them out, and let them sear. Don't touch them, let them get a nice tan. Once they're browned, flip them, add a splash of rice wine and some soy sauce. Let the alcohol evaporate, just like my motivation after 5 p.m. Cook them until they are golden and glorious all over. Then, remove and set the chicken aside like a proud parent watching their kids on sports day. In that same pan, toss in the garlic and maybe a little more oil if things are looking a bit dry. Sauté for a minute. Then, drop in the potatoes and carrots. Stir them around for 2 to 3 minutes to get a little color, a little attitude. Pour in your water or stock. Add sugar, kombucha powder or oyster sauce, whatever makes your heart happy. Splash in some soy sauce and dark soy sauce for that deep, rich color. Now, return the chicken to the party. Oh, if you have a bay leaf, throw it in like a secret ingredient. My pot's too small to stir properly, so I'm using a pan first, then switching to a pot to simmer. If your pot's big enough, skip the drama. Bring everything to a boil, then turn the heat down to a gentle simmer. Cover it up and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Take a break or watch another wee video, up to you. Once the potatoes are soft and the chicken is tender, it's time for the moment of truth. Taste it, add salt and pepper if it needs a little more personality. If the sauce is looking a bit too watery for your taste, just simmer it uncovered for a bit longer. But for me, I'm good with more sauce, because honestly, more sauce means more reasons to eat more rice. If you like a little kick, add a chili now. And for the grand finale, a spoonful of shallot oil. This is the liquid gold that takes it to the next level. If you want to know how to make this magic stuff, check the card above. Give it a quick stir, and we are officially done. Garnish with some scallions if you want it to look like a 5-star meal. Serve it with rice, bread, or just enjoy it on its own. If this still made your mouth water, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. And if you are looking for more ways to make amazing food without a headache, click the video right here for your next meal. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!